Hello and welcome to the Chester County Hospital. My name is Mike Duncan, and in addition to being the President and CEO, I'm proud to serve as your tour guide today to give you a virtual look at the hospital's new tower. Today we're touring the 4th floor, which is the first of 3 floors that we are opening in the next year. We began construction on the tower in March of 2012. It adds 93,000 square feet of patient care space to the hospital. The tower connects to the existing hospital at the main elevator bank in our North Pavilion. When you enter the tower, you see that we've created a beautiful and modern waiting room with floor-to-ceiling windows. From here, you get a unique perspective of the existing hospital and the tower expansion. The waiting room overlooks a rooftop garden that was created as one of the many sustainable features of this addition. Beyond the waiting room, the 4th floor of the tower is home to 24 private rooms that are used for telemetry patients so we can carefully monitor their heart rhythms and other vital signs and deliver the best care to our patients. We're excited that the tower has been designed with all private rooms, and as we add more beds to the tower, we are transitioning most of our semi-private rooms in the existing hospital to be private rooms as well. Having a private room is an expectation of our patients, and we're happy to be able to provide that.
Our clinical team played a critical role in working with the architects to design the patient rooms. They requested that the rooms have 3 distinct zones: family, patient, and clinician. For the visitors, each room has a sofa that can convert into a table, a desk, or a bed if a guest wishes to stay overnight. There's also a recliner on one side for added comfort. For our patients, they are placed at the center of care and given the necessary space and privacy to recover. Our rooms have a modern design with European-style bathrooms. Every room has original artwork, an LCD TV, and a communication board for nursing care. Patients have the ability to control the window shades and the amount of natural light from a large window, as well as adjust the temperature in the room. For nurses, the room has quick access to advanced technology and a bedside computer station for documentation. Outside each room is a workstation that has a small window so nurses can keep an eye on 2 patients at the same time. There are blinds on these windows for added privacy. The entire patient room was created to build a better experience for the patients and their families, and to make the caregiving process easier. The tower houses 24 new telemetry beds, plus we continue to monitor additional units and beds throughout the hospital. The 4th floor and all the rooms in the tower have been designed with the highest level of capability so that our rooms can adapt to meet our community's healthcare needs now and in the future. For our clinical team, the patient floors have been designed so that our nurses and physicians have everything they need at their fingertips. The nurses' stations are spacious with plenty of workstations. We have decentralized the nurses' station to manage the noise level in the halls and to provide enough space for everyone to do the important work to care for our patients and visitors.
Finally, our tour would not be complete without a few acknowledgments. On behalf of the entire hospital staff, I'd like to thank our architects, Ballinger, and our construction manager, L.F. Driscoll, for creating and building this terrific new space. I'd like to thank the community benefactors, physicians, employees, volunteers, and auxiliary members who made a donation to the capital campaign that kicked off this project. I'd like to thank our friends at Fulton Bank who saw our vision and supported us with capital. And finally, I'd like to thank the men and women who are part of the health system family. They've adapted to changes during construction and were actively involved in the physical growth of the hospital, all while providing exceptional care to our patients. If you'd like to learn more about our hospital or the Tower Project, visit us online at chestercountyhospital.org. Thank you for joining me on this tour today.